is take deep breaths in and just relax. We're gonna do this 10 times. So you're gonna breathe through your nose and then release through your mouth. And we're gonna do it 10 times. So let's go. So now we're just gonna relax our shoulders and we're just gonna raise our shoulders up and down towards your ears, and you're just gonna keep doing that, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Just can keep going like that. Do it 3 more times. Make sure you breathe when you take your shoulders up and relax when you bring them down. Breathe out. Now you want to do your neck rotations. So we're going to go from right to left. We're going to do rotations for neck. Just keep doing that. I'm gonna go 10 times. Yeah, remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. Now you're gonna go back opposite. Keep going and remember to breathe. More rotations. We're gonna go 3 more times. And then we're going to switch to the next one to help relieve the traps tension. Okay. So now you want to keep your hands forward, but rotate and look down at your armpit on the one side. We're going to count to 10. Deep breaths in and out. You're gonna go the opposite side again. Look into your armpit, look all the way to the left side, and look towards your armpit. You want to feel this part stretching your trap, your neck and your trap. You want to feel this part stretching. Go. Okay, so that's it now. Get your nice rotation, just 5 rotations, just to loosen up your neck and your traps. Just like